নমস্কাৰ মোৰ বিদ্যাসাৰথী ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ তোমালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আজি অলপ দিনৰ আগতে হৈ যোৱা 2020 চনৰ এপিএসসি এক্সামৰ সিডিপিএ পোষ্টৰ বাবে জিকে কোৱেশ্চন আহিছিল মই তাৰে 20টা কৈ জিকে কোৱেশ্চন দি আহিছো আজিও মই তোমাক 20টা কৈ জিকে কোৱেশ্চনৰ এনসাৰ দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছো সো এনেকৈ ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰো আহা Question number 41. What is the minimum age prescribed by the Constitution of India for a candidate to be elected as Vice President of India? Vice President of India minimum age kiman hobo lage 35 years. Next question. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution lists how many languages as recognized once? 8 নম্বৰ অনুসূচী অনুসৰি সংবিধানৰ মতে কেইটা ভাষাই মান্যতা প্ৰাপ্ত কৰিছে ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে 22 22টা Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the provision that the Union government will provide grants in aid to state government Union government state governmentor লগত চৰকাৰৰ পৰা পোৱা মানে সংঘ চৰকাৰে state governmentor পৰা কোনটো অনুসূচিত ডিলস কৰিছিল মানে কোনটো অনুসূচিত ইয়াত লিখি অনুসূচী মতে লিখা আছে কোনটো অনুসূচিত या শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে আৰ্টিকল 275 মানে 275 অনুসূচী মতে या নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে the provision of election of members of the Rajya Sabha is borrowed from the constitution of which of the following countries South Africa next question the constitutional amendment that provides for 10% reservation for the advancement of the economically weaker section of the society is economically weaker section মানে অৰ্থনৈতিকভাৱে দুৰ্বল 10% reservation মানে 10% সংৰক্ষিত या শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে 1/3 constitutional amendment next question who was popularly known as the grand old man of India या শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে দাদাভাই নাওৰেজী Next question. Article 262 of the Constitution of India deals with adjudication of disputes between states regarding water sharing of interstate rivers. Next question. In which season of the Indian National Congress was the proclamation of commitment to Purna Swaraj made? Answer is Lahore session of 1929. Next question. Article 32 of the Constitution of India provides its citizen the answer to is right to constitutional remedy. Next question. Which one of the following regarding the power of Niti Aayog is correct? Answer to is enhance the involvement of states in decision making process by fostering cooperative federation. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG short form launched in the year 2016 was formed to meet the objectives of housing for all scheme by the year 2022. Under this scheme, the central government will meet 100% finance for which one of the following states union territories. The answer to is Arunachal Pradesh. Next. The fifth five-year plan 1974-1979 mainly focused on Garibi Hatao and self-reliance. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল Garibi Hatao and self-reliance. Next question the entry of private sector banks in India was based on the recommendation of which one of the following committees? answer হৈছে Narasimham Committee. Next question. Who certifies that a bill to be introduced in the Lok Sabha is a money bill? answer to is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next question. The concept of economic planning was derived from the model followed by answer to is the USSR. Next question. Who was appointed as the first CEO of the Niti Aayog? Sindhusri Khullar. Next question to ahile who said freedom is my birthright and shall have it Bal Gangadhar Tilak Mahalanobis model has been associated with which one of the following 5-year plans? The answer is second 5-year plan. Question number 59. Who among the following is known as the father of modern Indian education system? The answer is Lord William Bentinck. Next question. Which emperor introduced the postal system in India for the first time in an organized manner? The answer is Qutb-ud-din Aibak. Azilo imane asil 20 question. So next video log po akhare. Aziloi dhonnobad. Please like, share and subscribe.